Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2012 Ford F-150 in an FX4 trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a sizable lift installed, as you can probably see, with fender flares and vent shades on the windows. You've got some nice accessories and upgrades there, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, we have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. Seats can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have 2 cup holders, as well as a 110 volt and 12 volt power outlet. You also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as power adjustable pedals and fully power adjustable front seats with 2 memory buttons for your driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors, I believe. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 190,071 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip A and B information, gauge mode with transmission temperature and a black screen. I believe that is customizable. And then you have your fuel economy and fuel history, truck apps such as off-road status and trailer status, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and information such as warnings, that being low fuel and tire pressures, because these are not synced to the tire monitor. But then moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, SIRIUS, CD, and auxiliary. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with reverse sensors. Camera is located up here in the rear view, so you can't see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. But then moving down, you have your traction control shut off, hazards, your media controls, obviously, and then your climate controls here with dual front climate and heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. Below that, you have a 12 volt here with a cigarette lighter, which you don't need to use necessarily, and your USB and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. And then to the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller underneath. And on the right, you have a 12 volt with a small cubby beneath it. And moving on, you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side and your tow haul mode button down here. 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, has a removable tray. And inside you have another 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. And then, last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.